Hi, Lana here from Otago Museum in Dunedin, home to 1.5 million objects and this amazing interactive science centre Tahura. Today, Ashley's going to teach us how to unlock the secrets of coding. Take it away, Ashley.
Thanks, Lana. Well, today I'm going to show you how to use a new language, HTML, which stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Now, this language is something that every browser uses to tell it what to display on the screen. So how does it work? Well, the first thing you need to do is go onto your computer and use any text editing software. This could even be something like Notepad or Text Editor or Microsoft Word. Once you've got it up in front of you, we need to start writing in things called tags. Now, a tag is a little instruction written between these two kinds of square brackets, like angle brackets, little pointy ones on the keyboard. We're going to start off by writing our first tag, HTML. This is going to tell the website that everything after this tag is going to be a web page. Now, the most important thing about this tag is that we need to close it off. So we need to do the same tag again, HTML, but put a slash at the front like that. And that means everything between these two tags will follow that instruction. We're going to start off by making a title for our web page. So I'm going to put in the tag H1, which means heading size number 1. I'm going to say, hello, world from Otago Museum. And as always, slash H1 to close off that little title. Now, let's test out and see if I've done this correctly. I'm going to click save. And when I save this document here, make sure that you put .html at the end here. And when I've got my document here, it should say that it's a Chrome or a Safari document. When I click it, it should open on my web browser. And there we go, we have it there. Now, if I close out of this, make sure that to get back into the editor, you right click on it, go open with, and then go back down to Notepad. And that will bring you back up to your editing screen here. Now let's add a wee bit something extra, shall we? I'll show you another tag that you can use. If I go P for paragraph, it'll make text appear a wee bit smaller, like a big body of text. So if I say, today we are learning how to design a website. I close off the tag there. Now, the cool thing is, if I have both of these up at the same time, the web page and the editor, I can click save, and I can just refresh the web page, and there we are. It's appeared there already. Now, there are hundreds of more tags that you can use to do things like make the text bold or underlined, change the color, to put in pictures, or to change how the entire website is displayed. But I'll let you figure out what those ones are. Today, we've just covered the basics. I'll let you dive into the rest and see what other kind of cool websites you can discover. Back to you, Lana.
Wow, that was amazing, Ashley. Thank you so much. Wow, for loads more science fun, come along to Otago Museum in Dunedin. We're New Zealand's biggest science centre. We have a 3-story slide, a bike riding skeleton, and an indoor tropical forest with exotic rainforest butterflies. We'll see you soon.